What is PHP? PHP is an open-source programming language created in 1990. Many web developers find it essential to learn PHP, as this language is used to build more than 80% of websites on the internet, including notable sites like Facebook and Yahoo. Programmers mainly use PHP, mainly to write server-side scripts, but developers can also use this language to write command-line scripts, and programmers with high-level PHP coding skills can also use it to develop desktop applications. PHP is considered a relatively easy language to learn for beginning developers. PHP professionals have access to several dedicated online communities, making it easy to get support and answers to questions. On average, PHP programmers earn average annual salaries of about $107,409. Level: beginner to intermediate. Skills needed: simple if you have a background in programming languages, but relatively easy to learn for newcomers. Platform: cross-platform, desktop, mobile, web. Popularity among programmers: used by nearly 80% of all active websites, so it's very popular with web developers. Benefits: open source, easy to develop, and may be integrated with many different tools. Cost effective, flexible with database connectivity. Downsides: not very secure, not well suited for large applications. Poor error handling, cannot support a large number of apps. Degree of use: while it's used by the vast majority of websites, its use is declining. Annual salary projection: $107,409. Dear friend, if you like this video, kindly make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you stay informed about all our upcoming latest videos. Keep watching Protech Computer Education. Thank you.